Something inside what?
In the
In the
water.
water.
Yeah.
Let me see. So guys, me and Poppy, we came to town to buy some food stuff, and I'm waiting for him to come. I'm really thirsty. Today is very, very, very cold. Like seriously, the weather is not good at all. Can you see how I've dressed up? Whew. Yeah, let me put lipstick on my lip. The weather is very, very, very cold. Guys, how is the weather over your place? Let me know. Let me know how the weather is today, dear. I don't know. You know, when the weather is like this, to the way I drink water a lot. I think Poppy is coming. I'm seeing him now. Yeah, he's coming. You should come and let's go. 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 Come and let's go. Oh, you should come. I'm very, very cold. You kept long, Papa. Do you get the stuff? The slime? No, put it on the back seat. When you drink, give me some of the water. Very cold. Why did you take water that is in the fridge? What is it? What is it?
I see something inside.
Something inside what?
In the
The water.
Yeah.
But it's a new water, you just open it.
Yes, but
let me see. Seriously. Baby, seriously. What's the meaning of this? Don't you know it's cold? See my face.
There's something inside. You give me my water. Give me my water and drink. Give me that.
So if I pour...
Oh!
You see what you've done?
What are you doing?
What I'm doing? You see it's cold, so you push the water. Now see, you've wet the car.
It's a prank, just a prank you.
It's a prank, you know it's cold. See my face. See what you've done to you. See. You don't want the water to see. The water is everywhere. You see how cold you are avoiding it.
But you should not do it.
I should not do what? You know it's very cold. Why did you put the water in my face? Clean. Let's go.
You put the water in the lucky side. Fine.
I didn't put water in there. You did it. You did it. You thought I was going to pour it on you, so you did it. So don't blame me. You see how you've changed your mood now?
That is a prank. Just to prank you.
Just to prank me. The water even entered my nose. In here. It's okay. I think it's okay. It didn't enter. See his life now. He's now cleaning the water. You give yourself a job.
Not you do that. Put the water into water, let it side.
I did not do it. You push it. You push it. I didn't do it.
My car, you will buy a new car for me.
You see, you brought the prank upon yourself, and now you are mad. You are mad, babe. Why would I spoil your car? Won't it spark? Guys, now he's blaming me. Oh. He's blaming me for his own prank.